And after coming across the advertisement, I studied everything very carefully, read up on it, and watched some videos. I decided to give it a try.
Is there a first result from the experiment?
But the quality of sleep has definitely changed.
And what effect did it reveal? Can you tell me?
It gives a feeling of lightness for about 2 hours.
Dear friends, good afternoon. I'm glad to welcome you to the Synthesit YouTube channel. Today we have a guest. Denis Dolgodvorov is a Master of Sports of international class. Denis is also a freestyle skiing coach in the mogul discipline. Denis has 11 years of experience behind him as part of the Russian national team, the Olympic Games in Vancouver in 2010, and many sports achievements. Now we will hear Denis's story about how he got to know the mineral and the results. Denis, hello again. Hello, Daria. You've been taking Synthesit since the fall of 2023, right?
Yes, this is the beginning of my adventure with Synthesit.
All right. Can you tell me how you got to know the mineral and what sensations you experienced while taking it?
I came across it by stumbling upon an advertisement online, and on top of that, I follow for such famous athletes such as Alexander Shlemenko and his team. Plus, I came across athletes from track and field, and after coming across the advertisement, I paid close attention to all of this. After studying, reading, and watching videos, I decided to give it a try and added Synthesit to my diet. And it was all quite interesting because, first of all, I would like to note that the recovery period of the body became shorter because large. Although I'm a coach, there are significant demands during work with children. It's a lot of movement on skis and spending a lot of time on my feet, as they say, constantly on duty. Here it is. It's all come to me quite well, and it continues to this day. Has come. And so, up to this moment, up to the present day. So I use it in my diet.
So, your recovery during the night has improved, right? Has the number of hours of sleep changed?
The number of hours of sleep hasn't changed. It's still the same, around 10 or 11 p.m. to below 6 a.m. But the quality of sleep has definitely changed in the sense that it's become easier to fall asleep and recover. So both the depth and the completeness of recovery during sleep have really become noticeable. Well, the completeness of recovery during sleep has really become noticeable. Better.
Did you feel a difference upon waking up?
Waking up has become easier. I mean, it's easier to get up. Before, for example, I used to feel it was a bit heavy. But now it's all noticeably different. Really noticeable. I feel a lightness, about 40–50%.
40–50%? And during the day, do you feel alertness throughout the day?
Yes.
Or maybe drowsiness in the evening?
A period of lightness and the state throughout the day, yes, it's really noticeable, especially in the evening. In the evening, when it's already after 8 or 9 o'clock, you're already... Let's say I'm really tired and I already want to sleep. In this regard, for about 2 hours, there's still that lightness it gives you. This, it's very pronounced. So after 10, you start getting ready for bed. That's it. You transition.
Great.
State sleep.
Also, Denis, you have trainees. One trainee is a candidate for the Master of Sports, and the other is already a Master of Sports. You train them. They also take Synthesit, right?
Yes. I have 2 trainees who are already in leading positions on the team of the Krasnodar region of Ukraine. Well, on top of everything else, yourself, they show quite a lot. I believe successful athletes who are vying for the national team. I hope in the near future, this is us. We'll do it, and we'll make it all happen. And we're conducting such an experiment with them. I'm experimenting with them, adding things for them.
Is there a first result from the experiment?
In the winter, yes, we tried to maintain a full diet using Synthesis. And so it turns out that Alexander is in a recovery period after the injury, of getting in shape. According to our plan, We're satisfied that everything turned out this way, that it happened. The results we aimed for, we achieved. One of the indicators is 9th place at the Russian Championship. For us, this is a good result because it's quite difficult to pick up the pace after an injury. I think the synthesis made a pretty good contribution here.
Great. Earlier you mentioned that the athletes also take vitamin complexes, right?
Yes.
When you added the synthesis to the set of tools, did you notice a difference?
Well, the difference, very noticeable when it vitamin among a good vitamin complex with a concentration of vitamins. Well, generally speaking, right now in pharmacies, the concentration of vitamins is very low. It's below the normal level of human consumption. And for athletes, it should be even higher. So, you need to choose a good complex that is really designed for extreme loads. And when this tandem you're creating really works quite well, we notice the effect.
And what did the effect reveal? Can you tell me?
The effect, well, let's say, is quite a significant energy boost. It's quite significant. A big energy boost. There is a release into the body, but I think there's also the adrenaline and everything else, of course. But overall, when we were doing this, we were really using the synthesis. Then vitamins during breakfast. And when they approached the competitive part, that is, the athletes, said that there's a good energy boost happening. I think that here, Synthesit, vitamins, and adrenaline all come together to create quite an interesting wave. This is what we also do.
And can you tell me about the dosages? What supplement are you taking and how do you vary? The dosage during the pre-competition period in training. Does the dosage change?
For the dosage, we go with the standard Synthesit 800, which is what we mainly use. Well, when there are competitions, we tried taking 2 Synthesites in the morning. Well, the guy said that one is enough. 2 might be a bit too much. Well, 1 is excellent. They say basically it's enough for us. Well, we'll see. Maybe if there's time, we'll do some more test periods.
Okay.
Segments training.
And can you tell me, what are your plans for the future? Are you participating in any sports competitions? Is there anything on the horizon?
Right now, our task is to prepare for the Russian-Chinese Games. They will be in January in Sakhalin. I hope we make it to the team. There will be 4 men and 4 girls. Each side is represented. Well, we have a chance that our junior athlete Fyodor will make it. I would like for this to come true for us.
All right, we will keep an eye on the outcome of the competitions with the audience. We wish you good luck, success, and victories in the competitions.
Thank you very much. We will do our best.
Friends, thank you for your attention. Whoever hasn't had a chance to watch the big interview with the creator of Synthesit, don't miss it. Subscribe to our channel, hit the bell so you don't miss any new videos. Good luck to everyone and stay healthy.